In this video, we are going to create a bar chart, sales by category and subcategory. So, for this view creation, I am using sample superstore dataset, which come with tableau. So first, drag the cells measure to column. Okay, then category to the rows, and subcategories also to the rows next to subcategory. See here, I have dragged sums to the columns field, then category and subcategory to the rows field. Okay, and I have selected here show mark labels. If I untick it, the labels will be removed. So again, or you can do one thing, drag the cells and drop it on label column. Then also we can view the labels. Okay, and one more thing we will do, we will sort this by descending. So sort. So here in sort by we will select field. See here, whatever the selections we are doing here, according to that, the bar chart in the view get updated. So we want to update it according to descending order, and field name will be sales, and for now we are selecting the aggregation type or aggregation function as sum. So the view is completed. Close this one. See here, furniture is the category, and for this category these are the subcategories, and in furniture chairs is having highest sales, while in office supplies storage is having highest sales. In technology we are having phones as highest sales. Thank you. We have created the bar chart. Now we will create a stacked bar chart. So drag the cells to the column shelf, region to the row shelf, and category to the colors map card. See here, stack bar chart has been created. You can show it as vertical or horizontal. So if this is vertical, this one is horizontal. Now, see here, this is technology furniture category. This is office supplies, and this one is furniture. Now, technologies we can easily compare as they are at the baseline of the axis, but we cannot easily compare the furniture from sales from the east category, east region, and furniture sales from the west region. We cannot easily say that uh, that uh, the furniture sales in west is doing good. Okay, but similarly here in office supplies in east and west, we can easily say that which one is doing good, east region or west region. So for comparison we need them to be at the baseline. So to do that, to give that facility to the user who is interacting with our chart, create a parameter. I'm naming it as a compare. So as we want to choose from the list, and we want to choose it from the first, select the data type as a string, add value, we want to use category. Okay, click on OK. So now compare parameter has been created. Show this parameter. See here, drop down list is created. Supplies, office supplies, furniture. We are selecting the categories, but nothing is changed in this stacked bar chart. So to affect this change in the bar chart, we need to create a calculated field which will use this parameter to change the position of the category at the baseline. So let's change the name of the calculated field, and if the compare parameters value is equal to category, one of the category, then one, else two, and end. Okay, apply. Okay, so we want to sort it by category. So select category and sort. We want to sort it by the field in descending order. Field name is sort, and aggregation type will be minimum, because we want to select one of the value from one or two. Not, we don't want to select the count of the number of rows for that category. So we have created it. Okay. Now see here, we have in parameter the selection has a technology category. So it is at the baseline, and we can easily compare the sales in the east of the technology and sales in the west of the technology, and east sale is greater. Now we want to compare the office sales, office supplies sales in east and office supplies sales in west. So select office supplies. See here, as they shifted to the baseline, we can easily say that the sales of the office supplies in west is greater than that of east. Okay. Similarly for furniture, we can say. Okay. Now here we are giving the facility to the user to interact with the chart. Let's consider that we want to create a bar chart which can show whole to part relationship. Swap the axis. Okay. Now we want to show whole to part relationship. Here it is showing sales. Axis is showing the sales in thousands. So whole to part relationship means what uh, percentage of office supplies contributed in this central region, what percentage of office supplies contributed in this east region. So for that, go to sum of sales measure in row shelf, select quick table calculation and select percentage of total. See here, axis cell total sales axis change to percentage. Okay, so now if you can see here 7%, here 7.3%, here 7%. Let's show the tick mark. Okay, so we are showing here the percentage of contribution of each category. Okay, and total percentage of this whole chart is 100%. We don't want that. We want the part to whole relationship, means what percentage of this category get contributed for this region. So for each region it should be 100%. So edit table calculation. See here, this calculation is table across, means for this whole table it is calculating the 100%. See here, it is percentage of total is 100%. We want 100% for each region. So, and according to category, we want the contribution of each category in each region. So we don't want here both the dimensions are used, category and region. But now we want to see the contribution of each category. So remove the region. See here, as we remove the region, the percentage part to whole relationship in each bar chart get updated. Now it is showing 400%, means for each region it is showing 100%. Okay, so this now it is a part to whole relationship. That is, it is showing that uh, office supplies contributed 33% in the total sales of this region. Okay, what this is 100% on, and out of that 33% contribution is office sales, 33.86% contribution of technology. And if you want to format this up to percentage, one decimal place or two decimal place, or if you want to just round off this, you can select that one also. So this shows part to whole relationship in stacked bar chart. So but remember one thing, do not use more than four parts in stacked bar chart because it will make your visualization clumsy. Okay, now we will see next one.
Here we will see group by charts or side by side bar chart. First we will drag profit to the row shelf, then we will drag order date to the column shelf. So by default it will show years. We need to choose months first, then again drag the order date to the column shelf, and this time keep it as years. Now we will drag the order date to the filters card, and we want to select years from that. Click on next. Then from that I will unselect 2020, apply and click OK. Next, drag the order date. Next we will drag the order date to the colors and see according to years colors got changed. We will sort the fields by years. So in sort by we will select field and we will sort the fields in descending order. So first select descending, then click on sort by, choose fields, and we want to sort by profit, and aggregation function is sum. We have created group by bar chart or side by side bar chart.